And here we are in a Castle Junior Suite Oceanfront, really spacious room. As we walk in, we've got the bathroom to our left. So it does have a private door, dual vanity, and then it's got this massive soaker tub. The slats, the wooden slats, they open or close if you want privacy. Then you've got a huge cupboard area. Again, on the other side, there's more storage. So lots of space for your stuff. And then coffee station, mini bar. Oh, there we go. Mini bar restocked daily. Some local beers, pop water. And of course, room service is included. And this is the room. Very spacious. Plug-ins on either side of the bed so you can keep your phone charged. And flat screen TV. You got your own climate control system, as well as there's a ceiling fan. And then let's pop outside and check out this amazing view. Huge deck. Couple of lounging chairs, and a direct walkout access to the beach. Beautiful.